We're driving the VR6 on our way to go get the engine washed, the little exhaust repair done, and maybe a little dashboard cleanup. It's a little dusty. Other than that, this car runs great. It drives great. It's a 22-year-old, 24-year-old car. I mean, this car is probably older than most viewers. Like, this car is an old car. It's a classic. And it's really a classic with its leather and options. This thing has heated seats. It's got the sunroof. It's got all the things that these cars just didn't come with. We're selling cars that are 12 years newer than this. A 2014 Jetta that doesn't drive as well. That doesn't come with any of the options. It's just, they're much more basic cars. They're not made out of the same materials anymore even. These things are tough. So yeah, this thing is pretty awesome. And then it sounds so good. Not just because of the exhaust leak, but also because of that motor. And then again, 216, sorry. No check engine lights. It's... oof, and it sounds. So, we'll see. Almost at Aaron's. Let's go.
You know you're mic'd and I can hear you, right? So everything you just said, I heard, sir.
I don't care. That's why I said it.
I didn't mumble it under your breath.
But it was clear as day.
2002. 2002? No, just 2002. Nope, 2004. Jetta VR6 with the VR6 rims. Watch.
Look at how clean those VR6 rims are.
And the rims are very dirty, so we're going to clean them today. Aaron is preparing cleaning
Koshemi Magic
products.
Wheel Cleaner. This is pretty freaking magic, this stuff. I'm not going to lie.
All right.
They named it. Oh, it stinks though.
Oh my God, that smells terrible.
Yeah. It's
What?
not. You don't use this for the smell.
What the hell is that stuff, dude?
Baby poo.
Oh my God, that smells so bad.
Why isn't it? Oh, I know I was open.
All right, so this car is getting its wheels cleaned, and with the VR6, we have fixed the exhaust. We think we fixed the exhaust. I fixed the exhaust, so we're not sure if we fixed the exhaust. We're gonna see if we fixed the exhaust and start it up.
Give it a try.
Tomorrow we're gonna fix this and this. And this. Well, we're not going to fix that, but we're going to paint it. It needs a wash, but honestly, Aaron, what do you think of just doing a regular car wash? What do you think of just going through like a spray wash at a gas station?
Yeah, I mean, I'm pretty disgusted, except for the fact that I don't mind you washing your car in my driveway. Enjoy myself. Notice I'm liberally applying. That back wheel on the passenger side must have had a brake blowout or something. It's covered.
Yeah, the same thing on the Mazda 3. The back right wheel that had the bad brake was just absolutely covered. Like and subscribe, guys. Press the notification bell. I know it sounds dumb. I know everyone's tired of hearing it. We are a new channel. It does help us. It helps us so much. All right, so we are in the Jetta VI6. We have fixed the exhaust leak. At least we think we have. What do you think? What do we think? That's quiet. That's quiet. Let's try driving it. I mean, it sounds pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. This thing sounds good. It sounds so much quieter. I mean, maybe it's not fully there, but awesome. Awesome. Well, that's it, guys. I mean, we did it. We fixed the exhaust on this. This car's ready for sale. You guys saw the clean of it. The wheel clean was so impressive. That Koshemi product is crazy. And then a little rub in and it's done. So as usual, little stop at Aaron's house. Everything is solved. Everything is fixed. The Jetta is ready for sale. And I think someone's going to scoop this up because albeit it is, unfortunately, automatic, it is fun. Very fun and in very good condition for a 22-year-old car, guys. You have to remember, these cars are, again, 22 years old. All right, guys, we're in the Jetta, about to get on the highway. Let's see how this thing sounds and goes. I don't know, guys. This thing sounds beastly. It accelerates properly. This is a nice car. This is a classic in good running order, and this thing is ready for sale. If only it wasn't automatic, but that's life, guys. That's life. Sometimes automatic cars need to live too. And guess what? This one's a VR6. These things are pieces of art the way it sounds. It literally sounds like a symphony. It's amazing. 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 God, I love this car. Awesome. Awesome, 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 awesome. This car sounds great. This car pulls now. This car is good. Somebody's gonna buy this. It's no longer absurdly loud. I mean, I'm happy. Let's get this one sold. That's been an episode of Scott's a Lot. Guys, like and subscribe, please. I know it's annoying to hear. Hit the notification button. Again, I know it's annoying to hear, but we are a new channel. It really helps us. Comment, comment, comment. Like, subscribe, notifications, all those things. Please, guys, please, because Scott's Lot's on its way, and we're not stopping. We have a million more episodes to come, and I'm just going to keep pumping these things out, and I'm not going to stop getting cars. We are working our way up to nice cars, so let's do this. Do it together, guys. That's been an episode of Scott's Lot. I'll see you on the next one.